Aloha everyone, we are heading to our working place to work on our first released game. It will be Slide. Just very soon we will have our trailer, first trailer of our game studio, so stay tuned. And also in the comments you asked us to show our development process, how we are tracking our goals, tasks, bugs and so on. So today I will show you how we are working on our games. So guys, now we have our updated version of the game and now we can play it. We can play it and we can let me start it from the very beginning. It's our first game, Slide. We have two type of game modes. It's survival and it's challenge. We will play challenge mode when you will accomplish level by level the game. So the game is quite simple. It's like runner, one-click runner, when you have to click, when you have to tap, when it's time to tap. It is a small time killer that can help you to spend some time when you're waiting for something, when you're in bus and metro or somewhere else. So now we have to find the bugs. It's quite a late version, so there are not so many bugs, so we need to work hard to find some bugs. So you see? Yes, when you are landing, you are dying. Oh, it's not that easy. Did you see? Yes, it is the bug. So our main idea here to find not common situation when we will find the bugs. Also, let's try to check prolongation of the game. When you're losing, you have an opportunity to see the ad. The game is free, so we have to add this possibility. You can continue the really successful run, so you won't lose your result. Yeah, we saw it. Now we will cancel it. You saw the bug again, okay? The problem that it should work from first time, but it doesn't. It means we need to fix it. To be honest, it's not normal situation when you have to watch ad twice, because it's really annoying. So as you can see, we have 476 score, and this score should be on the next stage as well, but it doesn't. Look, it started from the very beginning. It's really strange, guys. It's also the bug. Let's try to accomplish the level and to check it one more time. We have a score of 504. Yes, and it's working. So the problem is when you continue the game through watching the ad or through spending 100 gold coins on it, it doesn't work. So we found several bugs, and now we will add it in our special ERP system. It called YouGile. It's a free ERP system where you just can track your tasks, your bugs, your thoughts. It's a really useful thing for small team. For sure, you have to use the ERP system when you are working with a small team. If you have more than 2 people in the team, you should use task manager like YouGile, for example, because it's free. Also, you can use Trello. In Russia, we have also the system called Bitrix 24, and it's also free. You can use it if you're a small team. You can use it without any problems. We don't have lots of requirements to solve, so just start using it. Let me show you YouGile. Okay guys, look, it's everything in Russian because we are a Russian team, but I will show you everything. Yes, look, we have several projects, 5 in here, and also we have another game virus in another account. So now we are talking about the game Slide. Here you can see this on the screen, 4 columns. The first column is about bugs. all bugs is adding here, we are adding it here, and we are working on it. This column is about improvements. If you found something that you want to improve, you should add this task here. The third column is about testing. There are a lot of tasks. It was in first two columns and it is moving to the third column about tests when it is ready, when it is done by our programmer, by our developer Igor. So when he accomplished the task, he just moved it to the next column. And the fourth column, you should test it for sure. You should test all these tasks. Yes, we should test is it ready or not. And if it's ready, we will just move it to the fourth column. For example, I just tested and this task no ads button is not working, and now it is working. And I can move it here and we will forget about this task. So now we should add the task about what we've just found. I will do it in Russian if you don't mind. I just wrote that we have to watch ads 2 times to continue the game, and it's really bad. And I also mentioned that the game is paid because I bought in-app purchase to cancel all the ads, so it is the problem and we should fix it. Then we can go inside it, we can add some description if you want, but not for this time because there is nothing to add. And that's it, it's how it working, it's quite simple, nothing really hard. So guys, we have to fix only 3 bugs and it will be finished game. And we will release it, I hope, on this week or on the next week, just in the very beginning. And I also sent all the materials about our teaser video to our editor, to Nastya, and it will be ready really soon. So please, please don't miss it. I will really appreciate if you will download our game, if you will play it, and you will comment your thoughts about our game. We try to do our best in this game, but I hope every next game will be better and better. Thank you very much for watching me, guys. See you in the next video.